You are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemi. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy this review. The product I'm going to be reviewing today is not a new product. It's been around for a while, but I was waiting to gather a lot of reviews before I come to share with my YouTube family. You guys have already been buying this product, but now I just need to reintroduce this product to you because it is amazing and super effective and safe for your skin. Yes, very, very safe. So the product we're looking at today is called the Indian Afghan exclusive 5-in-1 lotion and also the Indian Afghan extreme 7-in-1 lotion. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you what it does and how to use it. So we're going to start with the first one, which is the first one that was introduced by the company. It's called the Indian Afghan exclusive face and body milk. But you know what, don't apply this on your face. This lotion has its own face cream. Like, the face cream is so good, so effective, you don't need to put the lotion on your face. This is good. And it also comes with its own serum. So if you need to activate the lotion, just get the serum. You don't need to go and add any other serum. But for those of you that would like to add extra serum, I'll make another video about the serum that you can use with this lotion. So this lotion is amazing. It is a 5-in-1 lotion, which means it can polish your skin, whiten your skin, give you a golden glow. It gives that daily moisturization, and it's also a skincare treatment. So if you're someone that is battling with a lot of skin issues, then go get this. If you have a mature skin and you're facing wrinkles and age spots and stretch mark, then this is a lotion for you. This lotion is going to whiten your skin and at the same time treat all the issues that you already have with your skin. This is an amazing body lotion. I've been selling this lotion for a long time. I can't even remember since how. And I've had product customers that have been on this day in, day out, monthly. They're ordering the lotion because it is giving. It is giving everything that it's supposed to be giving. This is an amazing lotion. It contains SPF 55, which makes it a very, very safe lotion to use during the day, especially if you live in a hot climate. This is amazing because of the SPF that contains. I have customers that will never buy any lotion that does not have SPF. This has a high SPF of 55. It is very, very good. It also made with carrot oil and vitamin C. It's an exclusive active whitening milk. It is not a bleaching lotion, but if you are patient and you are consistent and you get a very, very good, amazing scrub, you will enjoy this lotion. So let's read about what it says. It said this is an exclusive 5-in-1 lotion that is made with powerful ingredients and vitamins, and is also whitened, moisturized, nourishing, and promotes fair skin. It will give you that skin that you desire, but please be patient. So if you're somebody that is battling with stretch marks, scars, age spots, and every other issues with your skin, this is the one for you. Actually, both of them will help with treatment, but this one is specifically stated to treat the skin. This is good. So like I said, it also has its own serum. The serum is super effective. So if you want to activate the lotion, then get this serum. It's super good as well. It has very, very great ingredients such as kojic acid, alpha-arbutin, AHA, glutathione, vitamin C, and it also has SPF as well. This serum is super, super effective. You don't need another serum, but I know some people will still do. But for me, I think with this serum alone, I've seen the work that this lotion can do, and it's beautiful. And it also comes with this face cream. This face cream is very, very effective as well. But if you want to push it up a little bit, just add it with this. Don't mix it in. Just put a pump. This is a pump. It comes in a pump bottle. Just put a pump in your hand and put a little bit of the face cream. Mix it together. Apply on your face day and night. You are going to enjoy it. This also has SPF 25. So this is also very good, and SPF 25. So mixing them together is also very safe, and it can be used day and night. The face cream is so moisturizing on the face, and it whitens really well. I like product that whiten the skin, and at the end of the day, it's not drying out your skin. It just gives amazing results. Products that you are using that is very, very strong, that is giving you that sharp whitening, is drying your skin. So if you want to whiten with sense, and whiten with product that will actually benefit your skin and do more wonders to your skin than to damage your skin. So let's go for the second one. which is the Indian Afghan's Extreme Injection. This is the baby that just came out a while ago, but it's also working wonders. This is a 7-in-1 lotion. It whitens, it brightens, fair, gives a fair skin, radiant and glow, moisturize, pro-lightening, and even skin tone. So if you are dealing with uneven skin tone, get this baby right here. This baby will even out your skin. For those who have dark hand, dark feet, and you want something that will give you even tone, that's the baby for you. So this one also contains carrot oil and vitamins, and it also contains very good ingredients such as the first one, kojic acid, vitamin B3, and also honey. Almond oil. It has great ingredients. This is an amazing lotion. Now I know the next question is, oh, which one is stronger? They work the same strength. That's the honest truth. If you read what is written on it, there's nothing that implicates that one is stronger than the other. And after my consultation with the company, they assure me that they're different strength. It's just that different product works for different people. And that's why there's always a change in ingredient, because some ingredients will work on people and some will not work on this particular people. I've had customers that have tried both and they love both. And I have customers that will say, oh, I prefer the extreme to the exclusive. And some people will say, oh, it's the exclusive for me. It's just try. They are both good. There's not a matter of strong, because it says 7-in-1 and 5-in-1 does not mean this is stronger than that one. No. So this one also comes with a serum, which is super effective as well, and also has its own face cream. So even though it says face and body, guys, get the face cream. It's very, very effective. So this lotion, like I mentioned, you don't need to add any other serums to it. Just use the serum that is made by the company with it, and you will get good results. It has its own serum, very, very effective. I mixed this serum with my body oil or more. The result was great. This serum is effective, very, very effective, and the face cream also is very, very effective. These are lotions that you will use that will not damage your skin, will not cause you issues on your skin, will not give you issues that you will not be using money to go and repair. These are the lotions that will actually treat the issue that you have and still give you that whitening, lightening effect that you desire. Please, these are not bleaching products. If you are looking for something that will whiten you in 7 days, 5 days, don't come near this. But give it a time before you finish one bottle. By the time you start your second bottle or more, you will be happy with the result that you will get. This lotion have been tested and trusted. Like I mentioned in the beginning, I've been selling them for over a year, and I am getting amazing, beautiful results. Now, the only thing I need to mention about this product is my customers cannot testify. We have gone through a lot of changes in color, in the way the write-ups are done, in the way the labels are done. I have had a conversation with the manufacturer, and they have assured me that this one is going to be the last time there will be any changes. There have been a lot of changes in the color of the lotion itself, especially this black one, this one, the exclusive one. But now I believe that we are at the final color. Guys, so you can now see that the new bottle has the Indian Afghan's exclusive written on it, both sides, and then at the back you have the label and also the label. Same thing with this one, the extreme one. So you have the label in the front, you have the Indian in Afghan's extreme injection written on the both sides, and that's how you know the original. And also has this for people in Nigeria. If you want to test, then you can scratch it. For people that are not in Nigeria, to be honest, that does not really do anything for you, because you won't be able to get any result if you scratch or whatever. But these are direct from the manufacturer, from the person that put them in the market, and I can assure you that whatever you get from us is the original. If it's not original, I will not sell. So now this is available in our Nigerian store. We are now in Ibadan, in Oluyole Estate, where we have a nice spa. If you guys are in Ibadan, you can visit us. All these products are widely available for working customers at our store, so you can come and purchase and take them home. If you have used this product, please leave a comment in the comment section. Give me your opinion, give me your ideas, and whether it works for you or whether it did not work for you. But if you get the original, I have never had one bad thing said about this lotion since I've been selling them. Everyone that I've used them, I've always come back to give good and beautiful reviews, because this is good and it works and gives amazing results without giving you any skin irritation, any skin concern. In fact, if you have any, it will treat it. Now, for people who have mature skin from your 35 years old to like your 60s and 70s, this is the lotion for you to use. If you still want to whiten your skin at that age, then go for lotions that are safe. Don't be going for lotions that will damage your skin. Go for lotions that are safe, that look after your skin, that will moisturize your skin. All you need is a very, very good scrub that will exfoliate your skin, and then you are good to go. You can also get any whitening shower gel or just any shower gel to match this lotion, and you will get amazing, beautiful results. Thank you for watching. If you are yet to subscribe, this is your cue to subscribe to this channel. I have good and mighty reviews to bring your way. Don't forget to like and share. I'm sure you like this video. I'm sure you do. Why can't you just press that like, encourage me now and do that for me. Thank you guys. Until next time, stay blessed.